Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 import vehicles available for sale across North America for under $15,000. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, enough talk. Let's get on with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, let's get started with this 1969 Volkswagen Squareback, listed for $6,900 US in Brighton, Colorado. It has a manual transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1969 VW Squareback, brand new motor and transmission completely rebuilt, runs good, needs some body work, trade for minivan or something with third row seating, $6,900 or best offer. And up next we have this 1963 Jensen Healey Sprite, listed for $7,995 US in Weatherford, Texas. It's been driven 300 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, SCCA and street legal, never raced, 1963 Jensen Healey Sprite with 2300 Ford Lima engine, race cam, adjustable lash, stainless steel header, Ford of Germany 4-speed, disc brakes, powder-coated wheels, custom DOM roll cage, subframe, needs work. Okay, here we have a 1968 Volvo 122, listed for $15,000 US in Fort Lee, New Jersey. It's been driven 15,500 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, 1968 Volvo 122 for sale, stick shift, two-door coupe, cassette player and stereo, manual windows. And here we have a 1968 Toyota Crown Limited, listed for $10,000 US in Kissimmee, Florida. It's been driven 35,000 miles, and from the seller's description, short and sweet, nothing really about the car. Will consider trade for food trailer or truck. Alright, I think this one is my pick of the day. Here we have a 1971 Datsun 240Z or Z, listed for $14,999 US in Vancouver, Washington. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description. New paint, 327 small block Chevy, 4-speed trans, new clutch, replaced all brakes and calipers, 500 miles on tires, has Ford 9-inch, does run and drive, but has rear drive axle issues, needs adjustable one, has new apex rear lower A-arms, and new adjustable struts. Okay, this one needs restoration, but I thought I'd include it anyway. Here is a 1975 Porsche 914, listed for $10,000 Canadian in Brantford, Ontario. It's been driven 78,000 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, rare premier widebody 1975 Porsche 914 with fluted centerline rims, Tennessee title with all import customs papers, but currently located in Ontario, Canada. Not currently running, 2-liter with dual Weber 2-barrel carbs, needs restoration but will be an awesome one-of-a-kind ride once refinished. Alright, here we have a 1962 Triumph TR3, listed for $14,750 in Gainesville, New York. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description. Solid original car, repainted about 30 years ago, very presentable, runs well with many new parts. I'm listing this for a friend who is not online. Okay, here we have a 1980 BMW 3 Series 320i, listed for $9,900 US in Fort Lee, New Jersey. It's been driven 130,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1980 BMW 320i in excellent shape, mechanically 100%, does not need anything, can drive this BMW anywhere. here we have a 1974 Jensen Healey Mark II, listed for $8,300 US in Bradenton, Florida. Yeah, somehow a few Florida cars today. It's been driven 48,741 miles, has a manual transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1974 Jensen Healey Mark II, 2-liter Lotus inline 4 linked to a 4-speed manual transmission. The equipment includes a black convertible top, roll bar, turbine-style 13-inch wheels, dual Stromberg carburetors, MSD ignition components, finned valve covers, wood grain interior trim, and an aftermarket Jensen audio system. Recent work includes front suspension rebuilt, cam belt replaced, new clutch, new alternator, new master cylinders front and back, new windshield, all gauges work as they should, top and rear plastic window in great shape, have original seats, original rear bumper, original wheels, and original shift knob. Clean Florida title in hand in my name. Alright, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking on the button below or using the link in the channel description. For the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every one of my videos before they go live on YouTube, usually at least 24 hours ahead of going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.